I'm Marcy Evans with Serenity Wellness Therapy. It's good to see you today. Today we are going to focus on muscle release with the yoga therapy balls and a block. So that's all you'll need today to help release your neck and shoulder area. And we will start with the block on the mat, about in the center, with the balls actually resting on top of the block at the very edge. From here, we'll roll down gently onto our backs, and let's place the back of the head, called the occiput, or the very, very edge of the skull, the base of your skull, onto the balls. And let's begin by just resting into the balls, just releasing through the neck and letting go of any tension there. Let's take a few deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth as you sink into the massage balls. And let's begin the deep tissue massage by nodding the head slowly up and down. So shaking the head yes. Get as much range of motion here as it feels comfortable. And let's come back to center. And then slowly and gently turn your head from right to left, shaking your head no. And let's go ahead and turn the head to the right. Stay on the right side and then nod your head yes on that right side. And then come back to center. Keep breathing and then turn your head to the left and shake your head yes as it turns to the left. Good, and let's come back to center. And then let's do some figure eights with the nose. So we'll come out to the right, and then up, and then down through the center, and then out to the left, up, and down through the center. So we're just drawing little figure eights with the nose. And then just come back to center. Rest for a few deep breaths. And let's release. And then next we'll work our way into our shoulders. So let's take the little balls and we will lift our upper and middle back off the mat, and we're going to place the balls on the floor. Let's come down to a point where you feel the balls underneath the scapula, so right around the shoulder blade area. And if you feel like you have tension in one spot, go ahead and just set it in that space. And just relax into it. Now you can rest your head on the block just to have a little more relaxation here. And then let's reach the arms up to the ceiling. Let's draw the scapula upward toward the sky. So we're spreading our scapula wide and apart as we reach our arms upward toward the ceiling. And then just let the scapula drop back down into the balls to massage. And let's inhale, glide the scapula toward the ceiling. And exhale, let's glide them back down into the balls gently. 2 more times. Breathe in, lifting up and away from the floor. And exhale, draw them gently back down. Last time, inhale, lift. And exhale, release. Good, now let's take the arms wide and just bring them back together. And take the arms wide, just massaging the shoulder blades. Bring them back together. Take the arms wide and bring them back together. One more time. Take them wide and bring them back together. Good, and then you can lift your head off the block. Take the hands behind the head. From here, let's go ahead and take the hands around onto the shoulders like you're hugging yourself. And then we'll just rock gently side to side, massaging those shoulder blades. And you can move up or down a couple of inches and then do it in a little bit different spot. Just be very gentle here. Moving gently up and down in about a 2 to 4 inch range. And then we'll lift up just slightly, do little tiny chugs up and down. Deep breath. And then we'll do some full rolls, hands behind the head, roll up and down. Make sure it's not hitting the bones. Might hit the scapula a little bit, but just be gentle. All right, slowly bring ourselves up. So that's it for today. Hopefully you had a nice massage for your upper back, middle back, and neck. Thank you for joining me today.